I'm gonna show you how to actually install these shower hooks I got right here. This is a paid sponsored video, and this was sent to us by the brand. These are suction cup shower mirror slash tile suction cup hooks that you can use to hang jewelry, towels, a robe, and things like that. So pretty easy installation. Hang with me, you're gonna see what this is all about. First, you wanna clean up the area that you're gonna work. Just clean it, make sure it's completely dry. Once you do that, then you can begin the installation process. First, you're gonna take this little thing right here, peel off the film there. You're gonna stick that where you're gonna install it. We're gonna press it down, make sure it's good, like this. Great. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the suction cup and press it on here so that it goes on nice and firm. You wanna center that up. So if it's not centered, redo it, center it up really well, and press it really hard so that it sticks. Make sure all the air is out of it. Great. You're gonna take this covering, which is gonna cover both the suction cup and also that round adhesive patch that we put on there. Put that on there. I'm gonna take this, we're gonna screw it on. And this right here is what's gonna give us our hook. You screw it on pretty tight. Now look, I'm trying to pull that off. That is not coming off right there. That is on and secure. This comes with two. So we're gonna take our other one and put this right against there. Against there, right? All right, great. Put this on it. Then screw this thing on. This little hook. All right, good. Look, that thing's not coming off. Just hang the towel on one of these hooks. I could hang jewelry. I hang these bracelets on here. All right, as you can see, we put these on our mirror. This is what I did here. You put it in your shower maybe, if you need hooks in your shower. These are the suction cup adhesive hooks